Got it locked in 4 low. About to see if hopefully the 4-wheel drive works. No, the transfer case works just fine. Man. Oh man, she's a crawler. I'm not even touching the gas. Let's see if it'll make up this hill without touching the gas. Are you gonna go? Oh, I think it'll do it. Idle right up. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. It don't look like much on this screen, but I'll give it a little bit of juice. I know in my other Jeep, if I'm not in 4-wheel drive, it will just spin because all these pine needles. So 4-wheel drive is definitely working. Didn't even spin a tire. Let's see, we'll go upside the back of this little pond dam. That one for sure, there ain't no way. Ain't no way it's going up this without being in 4-wheel drive. It's just so slippery. Alright, let's see. Oh, no problem. Alright. Go that way. Hell yeah. Power steering looks good. The temperature gauge is staying cool. Second gear, third gear. And I like this. Must have a really low differential because this first gear low. Yeah, it's pretty slow. I like it. I like it a lot.